And state legislatures are expecting to return to Jefferson City for a special session to work out a tax cut for Missourians. This as Governor Parson wants changes to the bill that was sent to his desk.
Parson is looking to provide a tax relief bill that would create a permanent tax cut instead of legislation that would give a one-time check of $500 to most Missourians. State Senator Tony Luetkemeyer and State Senator Dan Hegeman believe tax cuts are important and a resolution can be made to satisfy the governor based upon the current budget.
We've seen record budget levels in the state. This was the largest state budget in Missouri history that we had this last year. And, this is just a way for the governor and for the legislature to say we need to put some of this money back in the pockets of working Missourians, particularly with the economy that we're dealing with right now, with record inflation that's been caused by the Biden administration.
It's never a bad idea to give people their tax dollars back. And if we're able to do that with a permanent tax cut, I think we're all benefit from that, and I think that's where the governor really would like for us to go.
There is currently not a date set for the special session.